friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of November the 28th to December the 4th. Okay, so 30% off of regular priced beauty and personal care, 30% off regular priced groceries, seasonal, and toys with code with Cyber 30. I see a little chocolate orange there, and that is going to be part of a deal that I'm going to cook up. So hopefully on Monday I'll have a deal with some seasonal chocolate to get it really cheap. Now, before we really dive into this ad, let's take a quick second to talk about the Fetch Rewards app. As you guys know, I was at Rite Aid and Dollar General getting like all the Airwick ever made. And I forgot, if you photograph it to the Fetch Rewards app, they had like a spend 20, get back 5. And I started collecting points to that, and I actually got $5 back. This is a really terrific app. They often have freebies if you go to the Discoveries page, and anything in their catalog, you get back extra points. But any receipt, you get back extra points. So for everybody who's been kind of like, I'm nervous about this app, download it today. It's just your email and your phone number, nothing too specific. And when you photograph your first receipt, it could be a pack of gum or a taco you bought yesterday. It could be anything. You're given $2. So follow the link in the notes and like $2. And a lot of you that love Bath and Body Works, you can even collect points towards Bath and Body Works gift cards starting at $5. Really fantastic app. Right, so guess what showed up? We got back a 5 when you spend 20, and then my other card was like 15 when you spend 60, which is a bit rich for this girl, but finally they started showing up. So I don't know where they were for the longest time, these little boosters. Load them right away. Couple rules for these boosters. It's from the 28th to the 4th. So even though you can see them today, they're not activated until that Sunday. They are of a one-time use. So even if they're still floating in your digital coupons folder, they're done. Do not use this in concert with Walgreens Cash or a store register reward because it will monkey it up because it's a spend offer. Use your debit card, credit card, cash bills to pay the balance. And also on Sunday, as we're going to be in the month of December for Coupon World, there is going to be a new December PNG. So you might want to pick up a newspaper, thumb through it, and see if you have the PNG insert, buy it or not buy it. And I noticed with this ad, it's very peculiar. Well, like everything's peculiar with this ad. The digital coupons are not really listed. On some offers they are, but some they are not. So Sunday morning, you're going to have to load your digital coupons. Okay, so the Sunday deal of the week, these products are 50% off. So if you had your eye on them, we have the Ferrero Rocher. It's like a Christmas tree of deliciousness. The Kids Discovery, 50% off. So if that product was $19.99, it's $9.99 for the week. And then we have this Glamour set for 50% off. And I think that stuff is like $10 or so, maybe 20. So it would be either 10 or 5. Okay, so the first noteworthy deal is this, which is $5.25 for the Bounty, Tide, or Charmin. If you look at the bottom deck of that little write-up, it doesn't have the coupons listed. So Sunday morning, please check your digital coupons folder, what you may or may not have. Earn $6 when you buy 4. So if you have this booster, make sure you have it loaded because let's pair that deal with this booster to get the maximum from it. And hopefully we have some digital coupons, or alternatively from your December PNG, if you have any paper coupons, you can use that with. Grabbing 4 products, let's grab some Tides for $21. Make sure you have your booster loaded. That's $21. You'll charge to your debit card. I'm not going to count phantom coupons right now. If you have manufacturer register rewards, you can also use that, just not the store register reward, that $5 one. You're going to get back a $6 register reward for the promotion and $5 of Walgreens Cash with the booster. Let's remember, do not use that $5 store register reward or Walgreens Cash to pay down the balance for this one. Use your debit, credit, or bills. The next little deal that we have is for some free toothpaste, $3.99 for the Colgate, and it says $4 online coupon on 2, and then earn $4 of Walgreens. Earn $4 cash rewards when you buy 2. They word that so perfectly. Grabbing 2 tubes of the toothpaste for $7.98, subtracting the 4 off of 2 digital. You're paying $3.98 out of pocket, getting back $4 in Walgreens Cash, making this free. Now, if you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens Cash, spend it to earn it. For this one, because it is a buy scenario, yes, you can do that. Okay, so now we have a little Crest deal. It's going to be $3, and we have a $2 online coupon, and then earn $5 in-store reward when you buy 3. So grabbing 3 of the Crests for $9, subtracting that $2 digital, you're paying $7. Getting back a $5 is probably a store register reward or something. So it makes it $2 for the 3 or 66 cents each. If you're doing this deal on its own, yes, you can use your Walgreens Cash to pay. Now this deal is back, $3.99 for the Quilted Northern and Angel Soft. Double, triple check your digital coupons folder for some coupons for that. $3 of Walgreens Cash when you buy 3. Okay, the next little dealio, 3 of the Angel Softs for $11.97. If you might have a $5 store register reward, throw it in. Pay $6.97 out of pocket, get back $3 of Walgreens Cash. I think this is a super smart deal to stock up on paper products. If you wish to use a little bit of Walgreens Cash or a store register reward, totally cool for this deal. Okay, so now we're going to do something a little bit fun with this. So please make sure you have this loaded. And what we're going to do, guys, is grab the Crest deal and the Angel Soft / Quilted Northern deal and smash them together. So just looking at the same breakdowns, 3 Crests for $9, 3 Angel Softs for $11.97. The total here is $20.97. Make sure you have your booster loaded, 5 back when you spend $20. We have 1 chintzy $2 coupon for the Crest. Pay $18.97, charge it to your debit card or cash bills or credit card, whichever one you want to do. You're going to get back $8 in Walgreens Cash, 5 for the booster, 3 for the toilet paper, and a $5 store register reward for the Crest, making it $5.97 for the 6 items or 99 cents each. Let's not forget to not use your Walgreens Cash or store register rewards because we are using this in concert with a spend booster. Now here is an interesting deal, 2 for $7. If you look to the far right, there's a GODIVA dome-shaped box, and that specific chocolate is kicking out register rewards. Now with this deal, it is on Monday. That's when it starts. We also have this IBC coupon, which is a 2 off of 2. So you're going to have to load that or get it from the Big Book of Savings. The manufacturer has this promotion to buy 1 bag between the 29th, which is Monday, and then right before or like the day after Christmas, and you're going to get register rewards back. And if you buy 3, you get back $4. So that's what we're going to be looking at. Remember, the deal starts on Monday the 29th, so don't do this on Sunday. Grabbing 3 of these, that would be $10.50. Now that IVC will actually subtract $3, 2 off of 2 and then an extra $1 off. So you'll be left with paying $7.50. You're going to get back a $4 register reward, making it $3.50 for the 3 or $1.16 per bag. If you wish to use Walgreens Cash or a store register reward, go for it. Now with the Cyber 30 code on Monday, will this take off 30 extra %? And will this be a much better deal? We'll have to wait and see, but I'm thinking this will be an excellent deal. I'll have to play around with the math online and I'll show you guys. And I'm going to test this deal also out on Monday and present my findings, blah, blah, blah. But yes, this will be a really hot deal starting on Monday the 29th. Now, if you are in need of some lotion, let's look at a deal. This is specifically interesting to me because spend $20, get back $10 in Walgreens Cash. Hi, great deal. So Eucerin or Aqua for skincare. That promotion of buy 2, get the 3rd for free is also over because that was a November promotion. Now, if you might have this guy, you could possibly throw it into this deal. I know a lot of people are looking for good lotion deals. So this one, I think it's not the worst deal. So if you have it loaded, here, this might be a deal for you. Grabbing 2 of the Eucerins, 1 at $9.19 and 1 at $11.49. Those are the prices I'm getting from the app as well. In store, it might be a little bit more. Have your booster loaded. You would have to pay that full amount of $20.68 unless you have like digital coupons. So check on Sunday morning. And you're going to get back $15 of Walgreens Cash, 5 for the booster, and then 10 for the promotion. So that's a pretty good little deal. Let's remember not to use your Walgreens Cash or store register rewards with this because you're using it in concert with a booster. If you go over to IBOTTA, there's a very unique rebate, $4.50 back for these Roto. It's for advanced dry eye treatment, and I actually might need to do this deal. That's a pretty high value rebate as well. If you go into your digital coupons folder, I have 2 different $3 coupons for the Roto, so that's really nice. So you're going to have to do this earlier in the week. And then if you have this guy loaded as well, and those Rotos I think are $9.99. Now to get your basket right to $20, you're going to have to throw in one of these little caramels. They usually are at checkout. So grab one of those. Grabbing 2 of the Roto eye drops, that's $19.98. one caramel for 33 cents for a total of $20.31. We're going to have our booster loaded, and then I have two $3 coupons, so that's $6 off. To my debit card, I'm going to charge $14.31, get back $5 of Walgreens Cash for the booster, take a quick photo to IBOTTA, and get back $9 for those two eye drops, essentially making it for free. Again, if you're doing this in store, do not use store register rewards or Walgreens Cash because you're using a spend booster with this dealio. We're still on IBOTTA, and this is a new one, which is a BOGO free for the poopery. It's just like a spray that you put in your toilet. A really fun gag gift, that sort of a thing. If you might have this booster, let's try and get this really cheap, so make sure you have it loaded. We're also going to need one of these caramels to get our basket right to $20. So grabbing two of the pooperies, find them probably in the Christmas aisle. You might have to ask around where they'd have them in the store. That's $19.98. One caramel is $33 for a total of $20.31. Have your booster loaded. You're going to pay that full amount of $20.31 with your debit card, get back $5 of Walgreens Cash for the booster, and then $9.97 back from IBOTTA, making it $5.34 for the two, or $2.67 for a very funny stocking stuffer or some gift. Do not use your Walgreens Cash or store register rewards with this because we're using a spend booster with. Okay, so now we're going to talk about some quick honorable mentions. If you are a big IBOTTA shopper and you get thirsty when you're shopping, we have a lot of free drinks. So this is a Pepsi one for the mango, the zero, wild cherry, and also one for a Mountain Dew Zero. Okay, this promotion is also back. Purchase two gift cards, get back a $5 Walgreens gift card. And I think for these ones, it's usually like spend $25 to get that $5 back. But hey, it's a little something for you. These larger boxes of the Pop-Tarts are 2 for $5. I read or saw this on the news that General Mills will be increasing all their prices in January, so this might be a good stock-up price for you. Use some Walgreens Cash. And various drinks and such. A lot of these manufacturers are rumored to have a price increase in January, so yeah. I know a lot of us are not looking forward to that, but if some of this stuff is your favorite, maybe it's a stock up time. And then these adult beverages, there's lots of little rebates for them. So with the holidays so close, every week leading right up to Christmas, there's always some $5 rebate. It comes out of the Catalina machine. You send it to the manufacturer and you get back either a gift card or a check. And then the last thing, this little Dawn for $2.69, we're going to have a 50-cent coupon. So it would bring it down to $2.19. If you need an extra little filler item for a $60 basket or what have you, this might be the item. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye!